नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। तो दोस्तों, आज बात करते हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 6 के बारे में। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं 50 इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो आपको उत्तराखंड की आने वाली असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के एग्ज़ाम के लिए काम आएंगे। दोस्तों, ये मॉक टेस्ट सहायक लेखाकार के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इसमें आपको 50 प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन और अदर स्टेट्स में जो एग्ज़ाम होते हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के, वहाँ से ये क्वेश्चन मैंने कलेक्ट किए हैं। दोस्तों, डिस्क्रिप्शन में इससे पहले मैंने 5 पार्ट डाले हैं, उनके लिंक आपको मिल जाएंगे। दोस्तों, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको टेलीग्राम का लिंक मिलेगा, वहाँ से आपको उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान और डेली करंट अफेयर भी मिलती रहेंगी। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस को, ताकि आपको मिलती रहे सारी अपडेट्स। तो शुरू करते हैं मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज पार्ट 6। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन केस ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ मीटिंग्स द quorum मस्ट बी प्रेजेंटेड। दोस्तों, मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बोलूँगा, आप पॉज करें, सारे ऑप्शन पढ़ें, फिर आंसर करें। द आंसर इज एट द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द मीटिंग। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in a public company the minimum number of having quorum in a meeting is. The answer is 5. 5 member must be present. The next question is, the capital issue of public limited company are subject to guideline issued by. The answer is Security Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. The next question is, disinvestment of share means. The answer is to sell the share of public company to the public. The next question is, when the existing company raise additional fund by issuing of share to the existing shareholder in proportion to their existing shareholding, it's called. The answer is right share issues. The next question is, liability of company secretary is. The answer is both contractual and statutory. The next question is, the primary function of an office is. The answer is making, using and preserving records. The next question is, in an office franking machine is used for. The answer is postal stamp fixing. The next question is, fax is used for. The answer is sending copy of documents, that's called fax. Next question is, share premium received by company may be used for. And the answer is issue of bonus share. The next question is, Garner versus Murray rule applies in case of. The answer is dissolution of firm. The next question is, balance of debenture redemption fund account is transferred to. The answer is general reserve account. Next question, planning includes. The answer is all of the above. Next question is, sometime an auditor is called upon to review operation of an enterprise for evaluation of their cost effectiveness. What is the kind of audit generally known as? The answer is cost audit. Next question is, consider the following statement. Internal check relates to. The answer is 1 and 2 only. The next question is, the minimum paid up share capital for a public company shall be. The answer is 5 lakhs. The next question is, internal activity of company is going to be performed according to established regulation. This assumption is provided as right by. And the answer is doctrine of indoor management. The next question is, who is the father of scientific management? The answer is F.W. Taylor. The next question is, under Section 275 of Company Act 1956, a person can become director in public company of not more than. 15 companies. The next question is, article of association can be altered by passing. The answer is a special resolution in annual general meeting. Next question, who can be appointed as company secretary under Company Act 1956? The answer is an individual can be selected as company secretary. Next question, appointment of company secretary is made by. The answer is board of director. Any appointment made by board of directors. Next question, convening meeting of company is responsibility of the. And the answer is company secretary. It is a responsibility of company secretary. The next question is, what is the quorum of general meeting in case of private limited company and public limited company? And the answer is 2 member and 5 member respectively. Next question is, minutes of annual general meeting must be prepared and signed by chairman within. The answer is 30 days of the meeting. Next question is, goods worth rupees 2000 were distributed to employee free of charge. The account to be debited is. And the answer is profit and loss account. Next question is, the maximum rate of underwriting commission on debenture is. The answer is 2.5% only. The next question is, bonus share are issued to. Equity shareholder. Bonus share is allotted to only equity shareholders. Next question, on an equity share of rupees 100, the minimum amount payable on application under the law should be. The answer is rupees 5. Next question, consider the following statement. And the answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question is, Consider the following items that are disclosed in a statement of cash flows. And the answer is 2413. Read about it. Consider the following statement. A cash flow statement generally prepared for, and the answer is one and only. One and three only. Which of the following represent corporate sustainable reporting? And the answer is publishing annual financial statement in corporation economic and social environmental performance. The most suitable method of filing for transactional corporation is, answer is alphabetical numerical. The next question is, which one of the following correctly signifies the purpose of organization chart? The answer is flow of authority. Next question is, the most important advantages of centralization of office service is, and the answer is less burden of work. Next question, which one of the following aims is achieved most through office record keeping? And the answer is storage of documents. Next question, increase in installation of personal computer is mainly due to, and the answer is improvement of efficiency. Next question is, the return on capital employed shows combined effect of, operation ratio and net profit ratio. Next question is, with regard to the rate of return on investment ROI, which one of the following statement is not valid? And the answer is it is a superior measure compared to the cash flow generated per share. The next question, which among the following is the societal obligation of accounting? And the answer is to be helpful in correct tax assessment. Next question is, which audit is carried out during the accounting period with some interval? It is called, answer is continuous audit. Next question is, which one of the following is most appropriate management control technique for timely completion of project? And the answer is PERT, PERT, PERT. Next question is, Hawthorne studies have underlined the significance of which of the following? The answer is human relation approach to management. Next question is, which of the following is called backbone of auditing? And the answer is vouching. Bund and Stoker model for categorizing organizations by structural design uses the terms, the answer is functional and organic. Next question is, while auditing financial statement of non-corporate enterprises, the auditor's duties and scope of work would be governed by, The answer is agreement with his client. Retail trading is governed securities at select stock exchange commercial in. Answer is January 2003. Next question is the buyback of share was prohibited in India until October 31, 1998. And the last question, which term is used to field of banking? That's called current account used by business holder. And one more question, who propounded the innovation theory of profits? Bonus question, I must say. And the answer is J.A. Scumter. तो दोस्तों ये था उत्तराखंड टेस्ट सीरीज़ असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट का भाग 6। आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो। प्लीज़ कमेंट के माध्यम से हमें ज़रूर बताएं। दोस्तों मैं ऐसे ही उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान, उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी के MCQ बेस वीडियो डालता रहता हूँ। अभी तक मैंने 25 पार्ट डाल दिए हैं। आप प्लीज़ उन्हें वॉच करें, वो मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर से बनाया है। दोस्तों डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके इस वीडियो के पहले के 5 पार्ट आप देख सकते हैं। साथ ही आप वहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम का चैनल का लिंक मिलेगा, आप उसे ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें। वहाँ आपको डेली करंट अफेयर्स और PDFs उत्तराखंड से रिलेटेड मिलेगी। ओके गाइज, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। डू सब्सक्राइब उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस।